Easily haul your gear with the Max Sports Folding Utility Wagon. It opens in seconds. The lightweight durable design has a 150 pounds capacity and is a must-have to transport heavy bulky loads. Great for trips to the beach, park, camping, outdoor sporting events, gardening, and much more. The accordion-style floor makes setup and breaks down a breeze. It folds easily into its own carry bag for compact storage. Max Sports is a trusted brand since 1993. Size, inside, approximately 31.8 inches large by 21.5 inches width x 17 inches height. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Roomy interior. Large capacity wagon opens to approximately 36.2 inches by 21.4 inches by 24.6 inches and sets up in seconds, no assembly required. Number 2. Convenient compact storage. Wagon folds to only 9.7 inches thick. Folded size approximately 31.5 inches by 21.4 inches by 9.7 inches and includes a carry case. Weighs 24.5 lbs, maximum weight in deep sand, 50 pounds. Number 3. Lighten the load. The heavy-duty frame allows loads up to 150 pounds. And the durable 600D fabric can be easily cleaned. UV and mildew resistant. Number 4. Functional features. Adjustable handle for effortless transport and 2 mesh cup holders keep your beverages secure. Attractive blue fabric with black frame. Number 5. Easy transport. Extra large wheels for hauling gear to the beach, outdoor sporting events, concerts, picnics in the park, and around the house. Please note that it is not made to transport children. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can you turn the front wheels? Answer. Yes, the handle turns the wheels, enabling you to steer the wagon. This also enables the wagon to have a very good turning radius. Question number 2. Is the bottom solid so kids can comfortably ride in it? Would they be sitting on the framework? Answer. The bottom of the wagon is fairly padded. You could also throw in a blanket or cushion as well. Question number 3. Does this roll fully folded, collapsed? Answer. The wheels will roll. However, since the front wheels sit between the rear wheels when folded, it would completely prevent turning, which would make steering difficult. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.